guys, hope you're doing well. Another studio vlog today. I thought I would just show you everything that I've been up to and what I've been making lately. I have an exciting update. I am rebranding the Craft with Sav business. So for the last 18 months I've been going to the markets and selling on Etsy. I originally made Craft with Sav to be more of a creative venture, but I just got a bit carried away and I really enjoyed the business side of it. I am making this into a proper brand now, and my new name will be called Matchy. So essentially a play on Matchy Mat, and also the ethical and sustainability side of the business. It leans into that because it's like the perfect match for life, and I encourage thoughtful purchases and all of that exciting stuff. So a lot of new things are coming, including a website. If you wanted to stay tuned, you can follow my Instagram. I haven't updated things yet, but I'll pop the links in the description below so you can follow along and stay up to date. Today is just going to be a little inside look into how I create all of the new products. I've been working on a duffel bag. This print will not be available. This was just some fabric that I needed to use. This one, as you can see, it's kind of a kid's size, but it makes like the perfect one-nighter weekend bag. It's not stuffed, so it's a bit hard to gauge the size. The adjustments I'll be making to this one is adding another 3 inches to the strap, and of course adding an adjustable strap so you can wear it over your shoulder. But it's fully lined. It's got an external zip as well as an internal pocket there, which I just think is so cute. It's nice and big so you can store all of your goodies in there. I also have smaller pouches, so instead of like the box pouch style, this one utilizes like quilted front and back, and then the around the edge like gusset or something. This one I feel like is perfect for like putting your sanitary items in. It's just like a cute little cover. It also fits like way more than it looks. And again, I won't be using this print. I'm just pretty much using up a lot of my leftover materials so there's no waste. To test everything here, as well as my leftover zips, I did upgrade my zips late last year just before Christmas, so they now look like this. So they've got the dangly bit and it's a lot smoother to open and close. Got a local supplier for them. I like to support local where I can. I've also got a lot of new prints coming out. I particularly wanted to focus on strawberries. Yeah, I think they're really cute. Again, it won't have this zip. This is just one I was using up, and this is just my traditional best-selling box bag shape. That's a bit of an update on everything business and creative related. Today I'll be taking you through making my laptop cases. So laptop cases are super popular. They're also highly requested, and that's what I'll be working on today. So I'll take you through it. With my templates, I normally like to get a piece of cardboard like this and kind of cut out the template just so I've got it all straight and ready to go. This is my laptop, so this looks pretty good, to be honest. This measures, my laptop is a 14 inch and the cardboard measures about 16, 17. So we'll be making both the 14 and the 16 inch, but I'll just be making the 14 inch today. And I'm just gonna cut. So this is for the lining. I'm going to do for the strawberry one this hot pink cotton. Okay, so I have all of the layers cut out now here, and I've decided just to go make one because I'm a little bit nervous with how it's all gonna work out. So I'm just gonna do the one first. we'll see how we go. Let's see how it came up. I'm always like so excited when I make something. I just want to like see what it's like finished. Okay, this is super cute. Yes. So that's like a perfect fit. I feel like that is such a cute little statement piece. Like uni, school, cool. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for hanging out in the studio today, and I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes and everything that goes on. I will be spending the next few days just perfecting this and then producing a few, and I'm gonna go have some lunch now and maybe set up a little picnic scene to take some photos of this just to get everyone excited on Instagram. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.